Hey folks, the Harley Fit Rider here. Today we are going to enhance our visibility on this 2022 Harley Davidson Street Glide. We're going to add the Custom Dynamics Magic Strobe module to increase our visibility while out riding. So the first thing we have to do is remove the seat to be able to get to all of the electronics there, which are located right under that seat there. So we're going to have to remove this screw here, and we're also going to have to remove this one to remove the strap as well to be able to get this seat off. So now that the seat is off, I've also removed the cover to the fuse panel here. I am going to remove this fuse from this panel here. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch the bike on and just remove that fuse, then switch the bike back to the off position. Okay, so once the fuse is removed, there's no power to the bike presently. So and then now we can get to work here with the adding the Magic Strobe module to the bike. As you can see here, I have an additional connector to my bike because I have fascia lights on the back of this bike as well. So instead of, generally it will be just the two cables going right into for the brakes, but I have this additional one here connected to actually add that fascia light display to the bike as well. So with that said, you still have to connect the Magic Strobe module and connectors to this as well. So you have two additional connectors here. So what am I going to do here? So what I am going to do is simply disconnect one end of the fascia connector here, and this is the brake connector. So only thing I'm going to do is plug and play, simple. Okay, so I'm going to plug obviously the female end to the male end here, and then I am going to plug the opposite end into the other end. Voila. And this is pretty simple to do, and this basically should work from this point here. So what I'm going to do now is put the fuse back in. All right, and now I have power back to the bike. I am going to switch the bike on. Then I'm going to move the camera here, so bear with me. I'm going to set it where you can see the lights. It's the most important thing. All right, just going to give it a try. Boom, there it is. All right, I don't know which setting that is, but it was already on one of the settings. So it has 10 different settings that you can experiment with, and I'm going to play with some of those to see which one that I like while I'm out riding. So, but that's the front brake, and let that wear out, and then I also test the rear brake just to make sure. Voila, simple, that works. So I'm going to play with the settings to see what they do.